Hello dear, Susan here and welcome to Weekview. Today we're going to have a closer look at our goals page in the International Note. Okay, so this is the layout of our goals. We have 2019 and from 2020 all the way up to 2025. In here you can write down, in those spaces you can write down things like when your child has finished college, or when it is going to college, when you are going on your world tour, or when you're going to build a house, or if you're still young and you want to do some family planning, you can have that all written down at the top. You can also have your 6-year goals written out there. Once you've done your visualization and you've done your brainstorming, you can write your goals up there so that they are always in the forefront of your mind. Now, let's come over to the personal goals. Here we have a place where you can write things like weight loss, that you want to lose weight for that year, then maybe a savings plan, a savings goal, even a happiness project that you would like to do. And then we have here life aspirations. You can have that you want to be more patient, or that you want to grow in a certain way. Then we have here friends and families. We can have things like getting your kids healthy through school, which is maybe things like giving them a healthier packed lunch, helping them have a better experience in school, or maybe you want to help out at the school. Then you could also write down that you would like date nights with your kids, with every single child its own personal date night, or with your partner, a date night with your partner. You can also write down that you would like to see family and friends more. So you'd like to say, let's say you'd like to visit your mother 3 times a year. So you'd write that down 3 times a year, and then later on you would schedule it. When would you like to fulfill this goal? We'll get to that in a bit. Then for work, you could have something like you would like an promotion. So you'd like a promotion, but you need a special skill before you can say that you want a promotion. So you could learn something like how to manage a larger group, or how to prevent burnout for your co-workers and in the workspace, or something like that. Or you just want to maybe learn IT stuff. And then for social and volunteering, maybe you would like to start a Bible group. Maybe you would like to help out and teach, be a coach for basketball or football or whatever kind of sports that you would like to help for children. Or you would like to just be more present in your community. Now let's go down to this area where the months are all written down. Here you can have your savings plan. Say that you would like to save up €1,000 at the end of the year, or maybe a bigger goal, or you would like to pay off some student loans or things like that. So you would map out how much you would have to save up in the year, and divide it, of course, through the months, and then you would know how much money you want to save for that month, and you just write it down. The same thing with weight loss. You would like to lose 20 kilos, you would divide that up through the months, and then you write down how much you would like to lose in which month. Then you could have your holiday plan all written down, like you would like to visit your mother, as I said, maybe in February and in May and October, or you would like to go for holiday in September, or you would like to complete one of your work projects or one of your work goals. So you'd write down where in that month you would like to complete that goal. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions about this page, don't forget to write them down in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer them for you. You can find the Weekview Note in our shop. There'll be links below to where you can find this planner. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.